Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cetaphil's Hydrating Foaming Cream Cleanser, which is suitable for dry to normal skin types including sensitive skin, and it is a water-based mild non-exfoliating acid cleanser which is also fragrance-free, and it can help you to remove excess oil, dirt, sweat, light sunscreen and makeup without stripping the skin, and you can use it daily in the morning and or evening on its own. Now at first I want to share with you a demonstration, and then I want to share with you a little example skincare routine, so let's get started. Begin by wetting your face with warm water. Next, dispense about 1 pump of the cleanser onto your fingers or into the palm of your hand. Rub it between your hands and then massage it all over your face and neck, covering all areas. This usually takes about 15 to 30 seconds. After massaging, rinse the cleanser off thoroughly with warm water. Optionally, if you have worn sunscreen or makeup, a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth can be handy, especially when doing this above the sink. It can also be useful in removing the last traces of your cleanser. If you've used the washcloth, rinse again several times to ensure all traces of the cleanser are removed. Afterwards, pat the skin dry with a clean towel. And that's basically it. You can stop right here or continue with your usual morning or evening skincare routine. Now if you want a simple routine for hydration and protection, you can follow one of the following routines, which as always I've prepared for you in a PowerPoint, and it's ready for you to download in the description box down below. For the morning routine, cleanse your face as I've just demonstrated. Then after you have rinsed it off and patted the skin dry, you can follow with a moisturizer. I've picked two great examples, the moisturizing lotion for dry to normal skin and the hydrating lotion for combination skin types. After that, you can leave it as it is, or if you have prolonged sun exposure, follow with sunscreen. The examples I've picked work well for every skin type. As for the evening routine, again, just cleanse your face as demonstrated and then follow with your moisturizer. However, if you need to remove heavy sunscreen and or makeup, I recommend using a balm cleanser first, then rinse it off, and then follow with Cetaphil's Hydrating Foaming Cream Cleanser, and then lastly with your favorite moisturizer. And that's it. And remember, you can download the PowerPoint in the description box down below. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Happy skincaring!